Smoke wagon here, Mad Check Outdoors. Here's the finished product of the Fat 50 ammo can install on the 2016 Triumph Tiger XCX. I painted them with truck bed liner paint, which you can get at Walmart. That way if you ding it up or scuff it up, you can touch it right back up. Taped it off, put the thin blue line strip on there. Went on about a 430-440 mile trip yesterday. They worked great. I was worried about these maybe rattling. I was thinking about taking them off, but they never made a sound, so I'm gonna leave them on. Give me some tie down points if I need them. If you can see in there the nylon spacers that I talked about in the previous video. You can see it gives it the clearance for the lid to shut. What I did was epoxy those nylon spacers on to the actual box. That way they don't fall and you lose them when you're out in the field. But it gives it the spacing to shut the lid, as long as the lid doesn't try to fall off on you. But that was the finished product. You know anybody that's got a Triumph Tiger needing some ammo can install, like and subscribe and tell them about it. Thanks for watching.